Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about something really important, our environment and how we can protect it right here in our own community. You don't need to be a scientist or politician to make a change. Even small local actions can create a big impact. Let's dive into how we can make a difference. So, let's begin by understanding why focusing on our local environment is important. First, health. Polluted air and water can cause serious health problems like asthma or stomach issue. When the environment suffers, so do we. Second, economic cost. Environmental damage can reduce jobs, especially in farming, fishing, or tourism. A dirty environment can also lower property value. Third, vital green spaces. Parks and greens areas aren't just pretty, they give us clean air, mental peace, and a place to enjoy nature. Here's the fact to think about local pollution levels have increased by 20% in just 5 years. That's why we need to act locally, starting today. Moving towards the power of awareness. Projects can teach and inspire others. When you create the environmental project, you raise awareness. You help others learn what's happening and why it matters. You can share solutions. For example, if you discover a way to save water, telling others might make the whole school or neighborhood do the same. It's also a chance to be creative. Use stories, videos, posters, or games to share your message. Here's an example. A student shared data about how fast trees were being cut down in their area, and it got people to take action. Your voice can do the same. So, personal projects are powerful. When you get involved, you start to care more, and others notice. Through your project, you will feel more responsible and take more action. You will also find tangible solutions, like real ideas that solve real problems in your area. For example, one group of students started a plastic waste campaign. They reduced plastic use at their school by 60%. That shows how your idea can lead to big results. Let's look at some great projects idea you can try. Water quality monitoring. Test your local rivers or lakes. Is the water clean? What's polluting it? Second one is local biodiversity survey. Study local plants and animals. Are there is any risk? How can we protect them? Waste reduction program. Reduce how much trash your school sends to landfills. You could start a recycling drive. Then school garden initiative. Grow vegetables or flowers, use compost, and teach others about sustainable farming. These projects are simple, fun, and make a real difference. When it's time to present your project, here's how to make it great. First one is structure your talk. Start with a strong opening, explain your points clearly, and end with a strong message. Use visuals, add charts, pictures, or videos. They help explain your ideas better. Third one is engage the audience, ask questions, invite opinions, or start a discussion and remember. Be confident. Practice your speech and speak with passion. People listen when they see that you care about. So you are not alone. Help is out there. So tools and resources. First one is connect locally. Find community groups or local experts. They'll have advice and support. Use online data. Search for environmental data online. You can find pollution reports, maps, and many more. Then school reports. Ask your teachers or use the school library or lab for research. Find funding. Some organizations offer grants or sponsorships to students. Just ask. You might be surprised who wants to help. Finally, here's the most important message. You can be the change. Understand the issues, pay attention to what's happening around you, take action, start a project no matter how small, then collaborate, work with friends, classmates, or neighbors. Start today. You don't need permission to care. Your small step will be the start of a big moment. Thank you.